Okay, so this is for Alive by Hillsong, Young and Free. You're going to be on two different settings. You're going to start off on huge lead, and you're actually going to be there most of the song. And then you're going to switch to brightness for just verse 2. Verse 2 is the only time that you're going to be on that setting, and then you're going to switch back to huge lead. So for verse 1, you're actually doubling what keys 2 is doing. And you're going to be down here on this octave on this huge lead setting. So it's going to go something like this. Okay, so make sure that you practice the rhythm with that, because it's really syncopated rhythm. The notes that you're hitting are actually, most of them are hitting in between the clicks, so it's not going like, so they're not hitting like that, they're not galloping, they're really syncopated, so they're like, okay, so then you need to practice that rhythm more than anything else. Before you learn anything else, practice that rhythm until you have it down, because that's like the entire song. So then on the instrumentals, you're going to be jumping the octave and doing similar to what that is, but then you add a little something else. So then it goes like this. Okay, so you add that at the end of the pattern for those. The verse 1 is the only time that you do that first pattern down here. Everything else you're doing up here. And then for verse 2, you're letting keys 2 do that other pattern, and you just wait, and then you do this. You do that twice. Okay, and I'll show you where those are. So it's hard to like come in right with this thing, but make sure that you're coming in as soon as possible with the lead with the keys 2. On the You Are, You Are, My Freedom part, you're not doing anything. This is when you switch to the second pattern up here. Then immediately switch to brightness. So you're getting ready to do the second thing here on brightness. So then switch back to huge lead during this part, because you're not doing anything here. So you're getting ready to go back into the big instrumental part. So then just keys 2 does this part here. It's the same thing, so you don't do anything on the you are. So you're coming back in again with this. So then on the drum breakdown, you don't do anything. And then you crash on, actually what we do in the services, we usually crash on a note and we just, just let the band crash on that. So make sure that you are ready for the first part. I didn't come in right when I was supposed to just because it's hard to find on the video. But make sure that you're coming in right away. Usually we do, the kick drum will do 1, 2, 3, 4. Whenever you come in on first one, so make sure that you're just coming in right away after the 4 counts. So that's a live.